So we are with the nature here, so beautiful. The way it is planned, you can see how the person who's planned it had the feel of the land, feel of the nature, how he is made up by not destroying it. Whatever is there, he used it. Otherwise they could have put one bulldozer and finished it off. The way it is planned shows he had feeling for the land and he could understand. The way we look at nature also is our own. The way we are inside, that's how we look at nature. Nature is our friend, absolutely. It's working for us all the time. But we don't do much for it. Look at these trees. They give shade. They give fruits. Whatever is possible for them, they do it. And when they are old, use them for wood. All supportive to our life. But we must have feeling, otherwise what's happening today is this ecological problem. And this is because we do not have any feeling for the Mother Nature. No feeling for the nature. We are really plundering them. And then the whole thing reacts. It's a kind of an aggression that you want to have so many things at the same time. Like that, you see, moving from one to another, having too many things of no value. So the Sahaja should understand that we are friends of the nature. And whatever nature gives us, we have to respect it. Better wear natural clothes as far as possible. One natural shirt is better than 3 unnatural ones. Because you can breathe better, the skin feels better, you can wash it better. So best is to take to more natural things. I think this trend is coming up. And that's a very good trend that we should take to natural things. And when we take to natural things, there's one thing, we cannot have too many of it. But if you start using something plastic, then there can be any number, and that's how you really torture the mother. First of all, you dig her out. Then you wear all these things. And they cannot be destroyed. There are mountains and mountains. Mountains and mountains of this plastic if you go in America. Even in England I have seen mountains, such a filthy sight. They can't burn it. If you put it in the sea, it floats. And whenever you go near all these so-called very big cities, if you see the sea from the aeroplane, you find all littered up. So we are spoiling our beaches. We are spoiling our homes and wasting our money. So these entrepreneurs have no feelings for the nature. They never think what nature is like.